For today's video, I'm going to show you what it's like to travel to Miami South Beach during the pandemic. Before we kick off this Miami vlog, first, let's take it back to the beginning of this trip. This is out of the Atlanta airport, and I have several videos on what it's like flying during COVID-19, what it's like to travel during the pandemic. So be sure to check out the right-hand corner of this video, as well as the description for more links about traveling during the pandemic. While you're here, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. I post weekly videos around travel, lifestyle, or tech. This was on a Saturday, and it was the busiest I've ever seen the Atlanta airport during the pandemic. Let's go. We flew into the Fort Lauderdale airport. Although Southwest Airlines now flies directly into MIA, Miami Airport, there aren't many direct flights, if any, at the time of this video. So be sure to check that, which would be the best route to take. I have several videos on what it's like flying on Southwest Airlines, and I also have a guide to flying Southwest Airlines. Check the description of this video as well as the right-hand corner of this video. Some hotels provide you with masks and wipes. I was a bit shocked by this because I usually travel with this stuff already. I have a video on what I pack when I travel during the pandemic. After checking into the room and getting settled, we headed out to Santorini Restaurant, which is a Greek restaurant, which was really great, and I had a great time, and the food was really good. The restaurants, compared to Atlanta, there wasn't that much social distancing, but they were very packed because at the time, Miami had just reopened up with some rules in place.
Should be walking up on coffee
I've been to Miami several times, and I've never been to Wynwood, so this is my first time getting to see all the artwork and just the trendy area of Wynwood. Racism is so American that when you protest it, people think you're protesting America. At the time, Wynwood Walls, which is very popular for tourists, was closed, but it is now reopened. But I would encourage you to always check hours when you're traveling during the pandemic to see what hours have changed and what measures are being taken place for COVID-19. And so I just had a chance to look at Wynwood Walls from the outside. Hopefully I can see it next time. For the last evening, we had a chance to visit the beach, and I got a chance to fly my drone and capture some great views of the sunset on the beach. If you're interested in more details about this drone, be sure to check out the description for more details. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cam with WorkHardTravelWell.com, and I'm in the Fort Lauderdale airport. It is an early morning for a 9 a.m. flight. It took me about 15 minutes to get through security. I got stopped because of some gummies, lifesaver gummies in my bag, but through security, and it's pretty empty in here. If you enjoyed this Miami vlog, be sure to share this video, like, and subscribe for more videos around travel, lifestyle, and tech for busy professionals.